Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. Today's video is going to be a day in the life of my planner. I wanted to walk you through my day and share with you how I use multiple planners in order to get through my day. Now, I would love to share with you guys how I start my day with my AM routine, but I have two kids, which I have to kind of get them ready and prepped for homeschool. So I don't have time to set up my camera. So I just have to start, which it's about 11 o'clock right now. So we're gonna start at this moment when I have actually walked into my office for the first time. So now let me share with you my planner. So this is where I keep my planner. It lives on my desk in my office. And as you can see, I already have it open to the week. This makes it very easy for me to look at it as soon as I walk in. So I got off to a late start today. So I ended up Xing out that I was not able to get ready during this time, put in what I was doing instead, and that's the best way for me to stay on top of my planner. I know a lot of times we talk about making a plan. I always try and make a plan, but that does not mean that the plan always happens the way that I have written it down. It's actually 11 o'clock right now, so what I am going to do, since this meeting was rescheduled, is start filming for the additional videos that I need to film for next week. Okay, so I just finished filming a couple of videos that I'm going to use for Instagram. Those videos are much shorter. They're like a minute, but we're jumping into one quick money question that I can just answer for you guys. That took me about an hour, and now I'm about to go get my first cup of coffee for the day. So I have my coffee, I'm sitting back at my desk, and what I like to do a lot of times throughout the course of the day is give myself buckets of time where I don't have anything pre-scheduled. So I scheduled a lot on Monday and Tuesday. So for Wednesday, I have this block of time, which we are currently in, where I don't have anything scheduled. I did do some filming, so I wrote that in here. And now I'm just going to pull out my computer and do some updates and different things that I need to do on there. We definitely have to pick a winner for the giveaway. So I'm about to do that now. And then I have some other just things, emails that I need to send to clients, other random things that I can do in between this time. And I like to do that so that if different things come up, I know I kind of have this free time to schedule it in. So I've been working on my computer for a couple of hours, but I did get a package, and it's my new leather case for my computer. So I had to purchase a new computer. You can't tell on the one that I have, but the screen is really wonky. It has lines going through it horizontally, and it makes it really difficult to actually see the screen. So I ordered a new computer, which is a 16-inch MacBook Pro, and the case just came in. So I'm about to open this. The computer isn't here yet, but I did receive the case and all of the accessories. I'm just waiting on the computer. And I really want to open this up to see what it looks like. So the computer that I currently have is a 13-inch MacBook Pro, but I decided to get the 16-inch because I wanted a bigger display. And so this is the leather sleeve that you can get. And as you can see, it just has the Apple symbol on there. I actually thought it was gonna be a case, so I might have ordered the wrong thing, but I like the sleeve. This is cool. I might end up getting another case too. So as you can see, it's like you can just open it up. It's cute. I'll keep it, but I think I want a case as well. So the next thing that I wanted to do is pick out the giveaway winner. So as you guys know, last Friday I told you that I would select a winner of a giveaway. So right now I am still in the business section of my planner. I am using the classic size, and so far I am loving the classic size. I talked about in last week's video that the big hourly happy planner was discontinued. I am not sure if they're bringing it back. I know a couple of you have emailed Happy Planner and they have told you that they are unsure, because we have been talking about it as well. So I switched to the classic size just to see how I would like it for the next couple of months. I'm definitely going to use this planner until the end of the year, but I'm not gonna lie, so far I am loving it. I thought I was gonna hate it because I usually like the space of the Happy Planner big, and I feel like I need all of the space. But lately I have been able to get away with the classic size with all of the different sections that I have, and it has been working for me. So right now I'm in my business planner, and this is the main thing that I love about it, is the fact that it's super portable and it's so easy to carry. Like, this is much lighter than the Happy Planner Big. And when I had the Happy Planner Big and I had all 7 planners in it, it was much heavier. So I do like the fact that even though I have all 7 planners in this one book, it's much lighter. But in honor of me moving to the Classic Happy Planner and creating a Classic Budget Planner, I did tell you guys that I was going to be giving away a Classic Budget Planner and a Classic Happy Planner hourly. And so that's what we're going to do in this video. I'm going to pick someone from the comment in that last video, which was last Friday, and then they will get in the mail both of these. So there was 315 comments on that YouTube video. Now let's see who's the winner. So the winner is Amanda. Thank you guys so much for entering. I am planning on doing way more giveaways because I just want to. I really love doing giveaways. I think it's just so much fun. So I'm planning on adding more giveaways coming soon. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And congratulations to Amanda. So let's look at the overview of my planner. We did some filming. I filmed an Instagram video, and I also am currently filming the YouTube video. This video is actually going to be put up on Friday. And then I also filmed the video for Tuesday, and I filmed an Instagram video, which is going to come out on Wednesday. So that's 3 videos in the span of time, which is really good for me. I only usually get through 2. We also picked the YouTube winner, and I am going to reach out to her on Friday. And I also am going to be doing some editing. So all of the videos that I just filmed, I'm going to be editing, and that's going to be the rest of the time that I'm actually in my office. So I figure that that's going to be pretty boring for you guys to just watch, because I'll still just be on my computer in the same spot. And then I will start everything that I need to start doing for home. My husband is taking over for homeschooling today. So I know a lot of you will ask me, how am I able to get certain things done? And it's mainly because he and I kind of flip-flop the different things that we have to do for the kids. And he is very involved with homeschooling, which is such a blessing because it's not just on one of us. We're able to kind of go back and forth. In the evening is when I kind of take over. I will do a bunch of things like play with the girls, make sure their homework is done, all of that stuff. And that's what this PM routine and dinner is. And that's basically it for a day in the life of my planner. I hope that this video has helped you if you are trying to organize your day and figure out how you can get more things done. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.